Isiseko esiqwalasela unyango lwesifo sikaGawulayo, i-AIDS Healthcare Foundation, sithi sixhalabile ngesigqibo sombutho wamazwe aseEurope sokuthintela isindululo esijolise ekuphuculeni ukufikelela ngokulinganayo kwezempilo kwihlabathi liphela. Sithetha nonondaba esentini namhlanje. Isiseko sithi oku kungenza kube nzima kumazwe amaninzi ukufikelela kwinkonzo ezibalulekileyo ezifana nogonyo kunye nonyango njengoko kwenzeka ngexesha lobhubhane i-COVID-19. Okanye ke isiseko sihlaba ikhwelo kwimibutho yezempilo yehlabathi ukuba isebenzisane ukuqinisekisa ukufikelela okufanelekileyo kwezempilo kunye nokukhusela izizukulwana ezizayo.
If we fail now, we are choosing to repeat the inequalities of the COVID-19 pandemic, when estimated 1.3 million lives were lost due to unequal access to all life-saving interventions. But if we succeed, ladies and gentlemen, if we secure a binding, equitable agreement, we have the opportunity to reshape global health for generations to come. And I believe all of us here want to make sure that the coming generations will be protected.
SATAC supports the policy frameworks that enable technology transfer, strengthen Africa's capacity to develop and manufacture health technologies. If we do not bring these in the conversations and negotiations going on very now, it's going to be very difficult for us to be able to push them or amend them afterwards. While the conversations are having, let's put in our points to make a big difference that we will be proud of if we have to look back.
This is not just a technical issue. It is a moral and public health imperative. For civil society, this matters because communities are the most affected during pandemics. Delayed access to life-saving intervention translates directly into preventable illness, death, and deepened inequality. PABS strengthens accountability and ensures that global systems serve all people, not just those with the greatest purchasing power. As Show Me Your Number and SANAC Civil Society Forum, we support the PABS because it aligns with our commitment to health equity, human rights, and community-centered responses. It reinforces the idea that no one is safe until everyone is safe. As I conclude, we therefore call for a PABS system that is transparent, enforceable, and truly inclusive. One that ensures Africa and other low and middle income countries are not just participants, but equal beneficiaries in global health security.